There's some fun fact in this scam. Hmm? Scammers have to buy what? Portable hard disk to save their data, a pen drive, or anything like that. They have to buy. Hmm? In this scam, I don't have to buy anything to save anything. Why you know? The online thing, the cloud, they pay big cash. Cloud, yeah, the cloud rainbows. Huh? Huh? I don't have to do anything like that. My data is fucking viral. My data is with everyone. I mean, that's why with the file forensics, my name pops up. So everyone are making those text messages. Everyone are sending files to each other with clone and creating that deal and fake bank account. All that stuff. They are doing it. So it's happening everywhere. What I got to do with this? My only thing was that I go to the police station in time. I did. I go to the court in time. I did. I don't have to buy any single device to save anything. My stuff is saved everywhere. Yeah. And everyone are going to go to court, press charges with those messages of clone phone and those file emails, everything. What all stuff? So my files are viral already. I don't have to save anything. That was the procedure of recovering. That was the procedure. And over that I found out the one who over here someone has smashed it. So they have went extreme. I don't have to save anything anywhere. I know the treatment of those animated data, of those animated papers. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to buy any pen drive. I don't have to buy any hard disk. I don't have to buy anything. My data is viral. My data is with everyone. Okay? All they want is me on their side, which I am not going. Okay? All they want is me on their side, which I am not. After the portable smashing thing, that day itself I smelled it, the portable thing has done. So, after that, why I'll be on anyone's side? Let them fight among each other. Let them see who planted message against who. मेरा क्या है? मेरे को कुछ नहीं. Everyone wants me on their side because the data is viral and file forensics pops up my name. I don't have to buy any pen drive, hard disk, anything, or any cloud or rainbow, anything. Nothing like that. It's out there. Over that I got the smashing reports. Chutiya zale. And over that, after smashing, they bought a car. लपड़े वाला सीन हो गया. Me तो what did I lost? What did I lose? File forensics pops up my name. मैं क्या करूँ? What do I do? So they have to present the false thing and all this. That way, entire Bombay is going to present the false thing. And where are the expenses of that false thing? हम यहाँ कौन फंस रहे? मेरा कुछ भी नहीं नुकसान हुआ है. आठ दस जन रहते बात अलग है. पूरे वायरल है तो 8-10 जन जो यूज़ कर रहे हैं उनकी माँ चोद रहे हैं सब जना पे. मेरा कुछ नहीं. मेरे को ना कोई पेन ड्राइव खरीदने की जरूरत है, ना पोर्टेबल, कुछ भी नहीं. Why should I? My data is everywhere. Everyone knows me who is the creator. Folder forensics, file forensics, shooting footages, everything. मेरे को कुछ करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है अभी। हाँ, बस वो रिपोर्ट्स मिल जाए, ऐसा ऐसा किया है, कोर्ट में सबमिट, बस दैट्स इट, इट्स डन, और कुछ नहीं। दोज आर स्मैशिंग रिपोर्ट्स। ये तो मज़ेदार खेल हो गया है। आई एम हियर फॉर एविडेंसेस, नॉट फॉर व्हाट यू कॉल इट, रिकवरी। मैंने बोला था ना, डाटा मौजूद नहीं है, मेरे को एक्सट्रैक्शन रिपोर्ट चाहिए था। अभी एक्सट्रैक्शन रिपोर्ट की भी ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि वो स्मैश करने वाला खुद अपना थोबड़ा दिखा दिया रहेगा। स्मैश करने वाला खुद अपना थोबड़ा दिखा दिया पब्लिक में, जिसने स्मैश किया पोर्टेबल हार्ड डिस्क, हमने खुद थोबड़ा दिखा दिया। हम क्या करें, पूरे बॉम्बे के पास डाटा है, मेरा कुछ नुकसान हुआ ही नहीं। नुकसान तो गाड़ी का है, जो फेक बैंक अकाउंट में जितने हैं उनका है। देखो क्या है, हम तो हमारी ज़िंदगी में मस्त है अभी। उसके बाद ये हाथ में आने के बाद, ये एविडेंस हाथ में आने के बाद, उसके बाद क्या है।